Hey everybody, I'm Clint Arthur, the program leader and author of The Last Year of Your Life. And I'm making this quick video about Weight Watcher and 24-hour fitness and LA Fitness because I used to be obese. Here's a picture of me when I weighed 236 pounds, and I was able to lose that weight by doing something that I call the last year of your life. And it's an experience where you live as though you only have 52 weeks left to live. And man, by doing that, I was able to drop 40 pounds without joining a gym, without changing my diet, and without hiring a trainer. It was really simple for me once I got the right mindset. See, your weight is all here. The reason why you're not happy with your weight, the reason why you weigh more than you want to, is because of here. And when you commit to living as though it's going to be the last year of your life, man, that changes everything. So come and check out thelastyearofyourlife.com and see if this is something that could help and work for you.